Hi everyone, Namaskar. Myself Pawan Kumar with Understanding Mathematics. Today I am back with practice set 1 based on work and time, work and basis. Here we have tried not to make use of paper and pen while calculating the question solution, and tried to make the solution competition cracking concept based. So let us see. Question 1. A, B and C can do a work in 9, 12 and 18 days respectively. In how many days? By working together they all can complete the same work. प्रश्न 1. ए, बी व सी एक काम को क्रमशः 9, 12 और 18 दिन में कर सकते हैं। वे सभी मिलकर उस काम को कितने दिनों में कर सकते हैं? यहाँ हम 9, 12 और 18 का लघुत्तम समापवर्त यानी कि here we will take LCM of 9, 12 and 18. We are aware that 9 is the square of 3, 12 is the square of 2 into 3 and 18 is the square of 3 into 2. So picking the highest value, we find LCM is 3 की power 2 into 2 into 2 means 3 की power 2 into 2 की power 2. So 9 4s are 36 is the LCM. Now divide the LCM 36 by 9, it will give you efficiency 4. Divide it by 12, it will give you efficiency 3. Divide 36 by 18, it will give you efficiency 2. So we have seen that LCM 36 is the total work units, and one day work of A, B and C together is 4 units plus 3 units, 7 units, 7 units plus 2, 9 units. So by working together they can do this work in 36 divided by 9 means in 4 days they can complete this job. If we are well versed with the LCM concept, then we need not to take this much of time. Simply we will take 36 divided by 9, 4, 36 divided by 12, 3, 36 divided by 18, 2. So 4, 3, 7 plus 2, 9. 36 divided by 9 equal to 4 days. A, B and C together do a work in 15 days, A and B in 30 days. In how many days C alone can complete the same work? A, B और C साथ मिलकर एक काम को 15 दिन में कर सकते हैं। A व B 30 दिन में, C अकेला उसी काम को कितने दिनों में कर सकता है? Here we need not to waste too much time. We can see the LCM is 30. So 30 divided by 15, 2 units is the efficiency of A, and 30 divided by 30, 1 unit per day is the efficiency of A and B. Means 2 unit per day is the efficiency of A plus B plus C, and 1 unit per day is the efficiency of A and B. So by subtracting A plus B from A plus B plus C, we find efficiency of C. that is 2 minus 1 equal to 1. 1 unit per day is the efficiency of C. So C will be able to do this work in 30 divided by 1 equal to 30 days. यानी कि C अकेला इस काम को 30 दिन में कर पाएगा. Ajay and Vijay took a work to complete for rupees 26,000 and in 15 days time. Ajay has ability to do this job alone in 24 days. What is the share of Vijay? अजय और विजय ने एक काम को पूरा करने के लिए रुपये 26,000 और 15,000 में 15 दिन में करने की बात की. अजय इसी काम को 24 दिन में करने की क्षमता रखता है. विजय का हिस्सा कितना है? As we have discussed in the very first part of our work and time, work and wages, that the ratio of efficiencies is the ratio of share of wages also. So Ajay and Vijay are doing this work in 15 days and Ajay is doing in 24 days. So the LCM of 15 and 24 is 15 means 3 into 5, 24 means 2 की power 3 means 8, 3 ja 24. So 8 3 ja 24 into 5 means 120 is the LCM. So 120 divided by 15 gives efficiency for Ajay and Vijay. 15 will divide 120 8 times and 24 will divide 5 times. So efficiency of Vijay will be 8 minus 5 equal to 3 units per day. So we are aware that efficiency of Ajay is 5 and efficiency of Vijay is 3. So combined efficiency of Ajay and Vijay will be used as share of wages. So this will be used as 5x plus 3x equal to 8x. 8x equal to 26,000. So x equal to 8 3s are 24. Left over 2. So 8 2s are 16. Left over 4. 0 मिला के 40. 8 5s are 40. So we are able to get the value of x, that is 26,000 divided by 8. 26,000 divided by 8 is giving value 3250. So share of Vijay is 3250 into 3 equal to 9750. मीन्स विजय का जो शेयर है वो 9,750 रुपये है. Another question is here. A and B can do a work in 12 days. B and C in 15 days, C and A in 20 days. A, B and C together can do that work in how many days? A और B एक काम को 12 दिन में, B और C 15 दिन में, C और A 20 दिन में कर सकते हैं। A, B और C साथ मिलकर उस काम को कितने दिनों में कर सकते हैं? यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं कि LCM ऑफ 12, 15 and 20 comes 60 because 12 is 4 3s are 12, 15 is 3 5s are 15 and 20 is 4 5s are 20. So clearly LCM is 60. So total work units 60. 60 divided by 12 gives efficiency 5 for A plus B. 60 divided by 15 gives efficiency 4 for B plus C. 60 divided by 20 gives efficiency 3 for C plus A. So combined efficiency of twice of A plus B plus C comes 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12. So combined efficiency of A plus B plus C will be half of 12, means 6 units per day. So they will be able to do this work in 60 divided by 6 equal to 10 days. यानी कि A और B और C साथ में मिलकर इस काम को 10 दिन में कर सकते हैं। Question 5. Ravi and Kavi can do a work in 10 days and 15 days respectively. Work is started as 2 days regular by Ravi and then 2 days regular by Kavi, repeating the same till work is completed. This way, how much time they took to complete this job? रवि और कवि एक काम को क्रमशः 10 और 15 दिन में कर सकते हैं। काम इस प्रकार शुरू होता है कि 2 दिन नियमित रवि, फिर 2 दिन नियमित कवि, तब तक जब तक काम पूरा होता है वही दोहराते हैं। इस प्रकार से काम पूरा करने में उन्होंने कितना समय लिया? Clearly LCM of 10 is 15 is 30. So 30 divided by 10 is giving efficiency 3 for Ravi and 30 divided by 15 is giving efficiency 2 for Kavi. So as mentioned, this work is started on alternate mode starting from Ravi. रवि ने पहले 2 दिन काम किया, so 3 unit into 2 means 6 unit in 2 days, and by Kavi 2 into 2 means 4 unit in 2 days. So in total 4 days the total work units are completed 6 plus 4 10 units, means per day it is completed 2.5 units per day. In this way, this 30 units of work will be completed in 30 divided by 2.5 equal to 12 days. इस प्रकार से हम देखते हैं कि ऐसी करने से ये लोग इस काम को 12 दिन में पूरा कर लेंगे। Thanks for watching. Keep on revising. Keep on learning. Avoid to use paper and pen for faster reply in the competitive examination.